Hello, in front of me I've got Defender FreeMotion B571. In this video I'll show you gestures controls. Firstly, take a look at the right earbud, ear cup. Right here we've got the mode and equalizer button. Press it once to change mode between Bluetooth and SIM card or aux. Press it again to select mode between normal, pop, rock, jazz, country and heavy bass for the equalizer. A little bit lower we've got the volume plus button and next track. Press it once to change volume, press and hold to select next track. Here we've got decrease volume and previous track button. Similarly to previous button, press it once to lower volume, press and hold to select previous track. Here we've got the power button, long press to turn it on or off, long press to reject call, press once to play pause, press once to answer call, double click, dial last call, and that's basically it. Now take a look at the lower part of your earbuds, of your headphones. Here we've got the status indicator about power and pairing mode. Here we've got the aux jack, USB-C charging port and TF card slot. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.